you're listening, touch your ears. If you're listening, touch your toes. Okay. Do we have to go over head, shoulders, knees, and toes? Are you all good? She's sitting there, she's like, I'm eating, I'm not touching anything but this fork to my mouth. Exactly. Okay. So this training, this workshop, this lovely experience is called Body and Mind. So as you're going to finish eating, just know that we're going to be doing some stretching, but it's light stretching. We're going to be doing different movements that will help you get rid of neck pain. Anybody have any neck pain? Not pains in the neck. Ma'am, why are you looking at the lady next to you? Okay. So, anybody ever have any lower back pain? Okay, anybody ever, like all of a sudden one day, like you never got into an accident or something, but all of a sudden your back just says, hi, I'm here, here's a concern, and then you're wondering what happened. Okay, what about knee pain, ankle pain, anything like that? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get you warmed up in your own chairs. So also, number one, to warm you up a little bit, because it's good to get the heart racing. You'll burn off about 2 calories throughout this whole training, so you can have that extra little piece, you know, just like when you have like a bucket of wings and then some celery to burn off the calories. Somebody, you're not even thinking, okay, good, for that. Awesome, tremendous. So, how many of you have ever seen this person or been this person walking and all of a sudden, and you're looking behind you for the nothing that you tripped on? Did that just happen this morning? Okay, well, that's what happens when you wear 5-inch heels to school. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to show you how you can strengthen your ankles and your knees. Anybody ever injured their knees? Anyone ever hurt their ACL, their PCL, their MC hammer, or anything like that? Okay. So here's the deal. How many of you, when you go to the gym, your trainer or the person there says, today we're going to focus on your ankles, today we're going to focus on your knees? No, but how many of you chase after kids? And I teach something called yoga karate. It's a blend of yoga and martial arts to 3, 4, and 5-year-olds in Florida where I live. And sometimes these kids are going this way, sometimes they're going that way. I'm kind of interested to see how well this stage is going to hold me. So either we're going to have a great time or you're going to have a great time. Okay? So imagine, like, you know, you're going left, right, this and that. You don't want to hurt something. So all I want you to do is while you're sitting, take one heel off the ground. That's it. Somebody just went, really? Like, if you want me to do, seriously, a heel off the ground? And then all I want you to do is while you're sitting with one heel off the ground, now just press down. Press into the ball of your foot. 3, 2, 1, relax. Do it one more time. Press into the ball of your foot. 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay. Anybody feel anything in their leg? Anybody feel like a tightening around the knee, around the ankle or anything? Okay, so all we're doing is very simply, we're using something called dynamic tension, which is strengthening the body without barely doing any sort of movement whatsoever. By the way, all the stuff that I show you, don't do this at home. Once you punch in, or once you start working with the kids and you're on the clock, then it's like, who wants to strengthen their ankles? Yeah, and the kids are like, I don't care, you're happy, yay! Okay. So let's do the other side. So ready? Lift your heel off the ground, and then just take the ball of your foot, push down as far as you can. Push, 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 relax. One more time, push into the ground. Push, 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 relax. Okay, how many of you felt like the little things around your knee? Somebody just passed out. What happened? You're good? Oh, okay, awesome. Okay, how many of you just from doing that feel a little bit warmer? Okay, got it. All right, now let's be brave. Let's take both heels off the ground. You're sitting, so you should be able to not fall over, but then again, I don't know what you've been drinking. So, both heels off the ground, and then I want you to just press down like that. Just press down and feel the shaking in your knees. Feel the shaking in your ankles. Push, 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 and relax. If you do that once a day, for 2-3 weeks with your kids, your ankles will get stronger and your knees will get stronger. Only if that's something that interests you. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.